Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone model and carrier support because upgrades roll out by device. Once done, back up everything, photos, contacts, app data, so you can restore if needed. Make sure the battery is at least 50% and plug into Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges and slow downloads. Also free 5 GB or more of storage, clear cache, and uninstall big apps to prevent failed installs. Now go to Settings to find System Updates and start the download. You should tap Settings, then System, Advanced, and System Update to check for Android 12. If an update appears, tap Download. This runs over Wi-Fi and keeps your data intact. During installation, accept migration prompts and new permission changes, because Android 12 may alter app permissions and privacy controls. The installer will optimize apps and may reboot several times. Be patient, and do not interrupt power or force shutdown. Once the progress bar completes, the device finalizes settings and prepares your home screen. When your phone boots into Android 12, you'll complete a brief first boot setup and review the new privacy dashboard and notification controls. This explains why some permissions changed. Then update apps in Play Store to ensure compatibility and restore any missing data from your backup. If something goes wrong, like boot loops or failed installs, first clear the cache partition and retry the update. If that fails, use recovery mode to sideload the update or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Keep calm and follow prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.